Hey guys, today I have a package from Miniature Sweet and I honestly can't remember what I ordered, so we're gonna take a look together. And I just want to say I hope you guys have been enjoying my DIY videos. I'm so happy to be crafting again and I have so many ideas and I'm ready to make lots of videos. So anyway, let's look and see what we have here. The first item is a silicone mold. It's a wand and it's also a ruler mold. So you can make a wand, of course, but it comes with these decals that make it possible to make a ruler. I thought that was really, really cool, and this would be really fun to take to school, wouldn't it? I actually got two of these, so let me pull the molds out and we can look at the designs. Ta-da! So one is a heart and one is a winged crown. I think these are gonna be really cute. I think I want to make them kind of pastel-y and kind of fairy-kei, yume kawaii. What is the term? I don't know, but I really, really like these. I think they're gonna use a lot of resin, but I'm really hoping it's gonna be worth it. I also think I'm gonna use 2-part resin because sometimes UV resin curves and you don't want that for a ruler, so we'll see. Let's see, the next item here is a bottle of some sort. It looks like it's resin. It is their UV resin hard, and this bottle is really nice. It is the thin type. And I'm excited to try this out because they have a really nice selection of resin. It looks like it's their original brand. It has the Miniature Sweet link on here. I'll do a video on this very soon. Next, I have some bezels here. As always, I had to get some of their new bezels. Actually, some of these probably aren't new, but I really like the designs. So we have a little kind of magical girl type charm. I may even have this already. I just really love the design. And here we have winged hearts, and oh, I thought this one would be fun to make with multiple colors. The little birthday cake, kind of unbirthday cake. It kind of looks like the cake from Sleeping Beauty that the fairy godmothers make, the fairies make. Some tiny teardrop charms. I don't know if you can see, there's a little bit of a glare. There we go. Some teardrop charms. Another winged heart charm. Some Sakura petal charms. I thought this would make a really cute necklace, I think. Maybe a bracelet, but I think I want to make it into like a necklace and then have chains on both sides. We'll see. Some starfish type stars. I thought these would be cute earrings. And another winged heart. Looks like we have some rhinestones here. I can't remember if I ordered these or these might be extras. I don't know, but either way, they are a really nice quality. I honestly can't remember what I ordered. It's a rainbow of crushed. I don't even know what to call these, but they're actually really cool. These will be actually really fun to put in magical girl type pieces. It can be like little crystal shards. I don't know. I really like magical girl stuff. These molds I ordered for sure, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet, but I had to get the full set. Heart, clover, club, and let's see. Oh, these I got too. Got a star, a heart, and I really like these because they have the hole in them already, so you don't have to drill a hole, and a little circle. I think these will make cute necklace pendants because they're not too thick. It's gonna be a nice size. Finally, I wanted to check this out because I don't have skinny washi tapes, and I saw that Miniature Sweet had a nice assortment, and it was super cheap if I remember correctly. All links are gonna be in the description bar if you wanna buy something from Miniature Sweet. But look at it, it's a healthy amount of tape on there, and you get 10 colors, and these are all really, really pretty colors. I thought they might be a little more bright, but I actually like these. They're a little bit muted, not quite pastel. These will be great for my journaling. Probably won't use them with resin, but I do want to share my Hobonichi with you guys, maybe on live stream. I don't know, but that's another topic. Here are my goodies from Miniature Sweet, and you guys are gonna have to let me know in the comments what you want me to do first. I really want to make these wands, but I think I need to get some more 2-part resin first. So maybe I'll do something with these bezels or these little charm molds. Here's their business card. You can use the link here. I'll leave it down below too. And there's some coupon codes here. I think I'm allowed to show you guys these. There's a 10% off and a 5% off. For the 10% one, you have to have a minimum purchase of $35. Miniature Sweet's super cheap, so you guys should check them out. If you use the link down below, it helps me out because I get a small commission and it helps me keep crafting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!